Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and I'm here at the mountain with so many people. That's a lot of people right there. Also there's a cafe. That's the city, whole city, and that is a lake. Okay. Ano?
Para sa sasakyan na lang siya.
Nagawa na ako ng video. So, recently, when I got 39 subscribers, I'm very happy, but also at the same time, if I had 1,000 subscribers, I'd be happy too. So, please, get me to 1,000 subscribers, bro. You know what? Let's do 100. 100 subscribers. It's the only thing. I only have 39, and I'm almost at 40. So please subscribe to my channel, bro. I need it. Also, me being happy is the best part. I can see people, everything. You can see everything. So, oh, I forgot about my friends. My two friends, King and Guerrilla. Two of my classmates subscribed to me, so they said they need a shout out. So shout out to you both. Shout out. You both are great friends. Thank you for helping me. If I'm at 40 subscribers, I think it will be the best thing I never had. Because my channel is almost at 40. If it reached 50 or 100 or even 1,000, I'd reach my goal to be famous. But for now, it's very hard. But at least you must enjoy the life of the fullest. Let me just let me face here. I'm facing the direction where the city is, but wait. Yeah. I have my jacket. So yeah. I'm standing up. Wait. There we go, the city. Can you see me? That's the city right there. That's the whole city. That's a long city, brother. Long city. Look at that. That's a long city. I know for your perspective you cannot see the whole city because I don't have nightshade. So I can only just tell what happens. First off, the city has a lot of lights. Too many lights. And can you see that right there? Do you see that? Oh, you can't. But look, see that right there? You see that? See that right there? I think you can't see it. That's a helicopter and an airplane. Oh, that's an airplane. That's an airplane for sure. That's an airplane. No lying. That's an airplane, bro. Wait, I think they might be landing. Yep, they might be landing. I can see everything up here, bro. Well, not almost everything. Like every part of Las Piñas. The capital of the Philippines are Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. But I'm at Las Piñas City. Yo. So I showed you guys the whole city, right? You can see a part of the city has no lights. That's because it has only water. Water. Me,
Ay, nako. Hanapin mo doon.
nasa si Gucci?
Punta mo nga, mga kapatid mo. Doon ka ba sa sakyan? Gusto mo ba doon? Wala ka na. O yan yung si Gucci, oh.
Nasa Gucci? Yoko. Nandito ako, nagawa lang ako ng video. Then na-document ko, malapit na ako mag 40 subscribers na. There we go. Bam. This is a huge city. Whoa. That's a full lake. Full lake. See that? Full lake. That's a huge lake. That's a huge lake right there. Also, I think there was moss. Moss or lily pads, I don't know. But they're huge. That's a lot of moss, I think. Like these big of moss. This is the water, this is the moss. That's how big the moss is. They even put a stick just to measure how deep it is. Also, there were a dozen of sticks I saw. I don't know why. How long is the video? 7:29, bro. For so long. At least I'm telling about what happened after 2025. At least I'm documenting it. Dang. Let's go inside the car. Let's go inside the car. It will be so quiet inside the car, bro. We can talk about everything I've learned. Papa, hindi pa pumasok sa kotse?
Ayun, no, nakapag-save.
Let's go inside the car, bro. Nay,
Dito lang ako. Huwag kayo dyan, baka nilagyan niya ng bato, baka daw ganyan gusto.
nakad ako sa kabila. It's hard getting inside.
Sa akin, nakabukas lang. Bukas mo lang ng kaunti, huwag masyadong bukas, baka may gumawa. Yan. Yung, alam mo, yung salamin mo nakababa. Ha?
So, guys, let's talk about everything I've learned in 2026. Recently, I'm grade 7 now, not grade 6.
Sinabi to sa batang to, huwag ka makialam dyan.
Chi, huwag kang makialam ng kotse.
Nahulog lang. Nahulog ko, ayusin mo, takina mo, magdidisgrasya tayo.
O sige nanay, huwag kang nanay magmura. Nag-ano ako dito eh. Masasensor pa ako na YouTube. Huwag ka nanay magmura. Nag-ano ako dito, oh. Yan ko pa to sa YouTube. Ito-documentary ko pa, nay. Mura ka na mura eh. Diyos ko. Huwag ka maingay. I'm looking at the view. Many people. Huge view. Huge. Very huge. Hmm. Hmm.
Like, sige, sige, pagkakata.
Cheap, ano mo naman. Lower the volume. Let me tell you guys something.
Parang maandar ah.
Hindi, dun sa ano, ay, sa kotse.
Hindi, kasi delikado.
Sa kabila kotse yun, Nay. Let me tell you guys something. If I get 40 subscribers in my channel, this year, if I have 40 subscribers, I'll be so happy. But, for now, 39. Also, I've gained 9,000 plus views. 9,000 plus. I don't know how, I don't know why. I'm very happy about it. 9,000 views. Yo. That's larger than my Facebook account and my TikTok account. At least I'm very happy. It's really nice, actually. You being famous, you being known to a lot of people, but it's very good. I'm not sure if it's a bad thing or a good thing. Some people tell me I'm not even great at making something possible, like having a YouTube channel. They say me having one is a bad idea because I can't make it. I don't know. They say I can't make it to 1 million or 1 billion. Well, I don't care. I don't really care.
Asan ba sila? Picture ba yun na nakaano dyan?
Nandiyan lang.
Naka-red?
Hindi, orange si Papa, orange.
Yung isa sa mami mo.
Oo, naka-red si Mama. When I thought about making my own channel, it's very, very boldness of me. I thought nobody is gonna watch my videos, but when I when I watch some YouTube channels about how to make a YouTube channel about I don't know what I'm saying anymore, but
Text mo si ate.
I can't speak so loud.
Tapos ipakita mo yung mga ino.
Naunanay mo kasalita. Ito na nga lang. So, being a YouTuber is fun and all, but sometimes you have to take a break on social media. Like me. I don't really post that often. I only post after schools and weekends. Also, I'm just gonna talk about something. Di naman nanay. So that's it for today. Like and subscribe. And have a good night. See ya.